Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter game with an auto flame, with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Hunter gang. I'm trying to be a bit more quiet right now. Oh man, trying to be more quiet. My son is cutting some teeth right now. He's got his molars coming in, and he's been up all night with my wife. I don't want to yell, so I'm gonna try and keep it a little bit cooler this morning until I know they're up. Okay. Normally, we excited. It's Monday. Good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. All you early risers ready to go and make some bread. Hopefully you've had a wonderful weekend. Let's jump into the charts. Oh, I'm giant. I'm really not that big in real life, guys. I did a recording for my shorts. Do you guys like my shorts? I don't know. Sometimes I feel like my shorts are shrinkage, man. Let me put me. Alex, go to the corner. Alex, go to the corner. You've been misbehaving yourself here, buddy. What's going on, everybody? Good to see you. Bitcoin having a pump, man. This is sweet. This is sweet. You guys plan for a long or short? We plan to go up, down, all around, every which way, Boomer. What's going on, man? Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Alexander G. Driving safe into work. My God, chop and pop. Here we go. Already. Chop and pop, getting above VWAP. I mean, there's no trade here. Wow. Okay. We're going to Valhalla. What's Trump done now? Stimulus checks, baby. Nice push here. SFP is a high. Good afternoon, Mucking. Good to see you. Mr. K, Menace TV. Donata Cabrera, Crypto Rob, Bearded Mac Mike. My man, what's going on? Good to see you. With the coolest VWAP in all of town. Melissa, what's going on, Melissa? I'm still a little bit resentful at you, Melissa, even though you've watched this channel from day one in your Dodgers, but, I digress. I'm still licking my wounds. Rob S., good to see you. Marco, good to see you. TNB, Viva. Rashad, good morning, good to see you. Farhad, Mark Gustafson. What's going on, guys? Good to see you. Random, Chris Reitz, Trace. I'm going to have to redo all those altcoins again, man. Everything's kind of just ran away from our levels. Oh, well, that's fine. More work. I like more work, actually, as long as we're printing. Alexio, good to see you. Matthew L, Chad P, Michael Paul. Good morning, guys. Blair Stevenson, Intercooler Carlos. Do you like cars? Intercooler. I think you're intercool yourself. Gains for life. What's going on, Derek Ash? Good morning. Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. Curtis Hill, my man, French Toaster with this Mr. We'll do the roller skate poll this week. D Oz, what's going on? Good to see you, Mr. Kemp. Guy Kemp or Guy Kempe? Is it a Kempe? Because I don't know. I'm going to go with Kemp. I think you told me it's Kemp, didn't you? Guy Kemp. I like Kempe. Kempe sounds French. Kempe. Hey, my name is Mr. James Bond. Guy Kempe, you know? The name's Bond. James Bond. Kempe. Guy Kempe. No? You guys tell me. Ezra, what's going on? Evade Little Fish. Oh, man. Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. Steve Hickey, Madeira, Keen Bean. Look at this push, man. Solana, too? Everybody's in a long, right? Okay. Oh, I'm so long. It's crazy. It's so stupid. I'm swing long on 2 other accounts, but incredible. Up like 12K. Oh, man. Gotta buy the fear, right? Buy the fear. My God, what's going on? Do we get news? Am I missing something here? Strategy just bought 487 Bitcoin. $4.49 million. There you go. Mr. Michael Saylor at it again. Coin Bureau popping off the, I don't know. Bitcoin's not going to zero, guys. Pretty cool. Let's go, baby. Let's go. That's a lot of Bitcoin, guys. Holy Scheisenhausen. Bitcoin ripping. Continuation through VWAP. No trade here. Solana continuation up. See if we get continuation through here. A little bit of patience. Henderson, go. What's going on? Async, good to see you. Brad May, Steve Hickey, Madeira. Shout out to the gang, man. Tony Soprano, what's going on, bro? Good to see you, man. How you doing? Shouldn't you be working? Kelchi, what's going on? Albavard. There's no trade here. I mean, we could scalp this up, but we're in La Resistance. La Resistance. Oh, I think my son woke up. My poor wife, man. Gotta help her today. Gotta help the wife today. My boy is just, he's cutting teeth, man. It's nasty. Your boy, your baby, when they get their teeth, it's just, their cheeks get all rosy and everything is worth crying over. Menace TV, what's going on? You know, we go to the right with 100% win rate. That's pretty good, man. I wouldn't say my win rate's 100%. I wouldn't even say, sometimes. I don't know, pretty good. Win rate's pretty good. We keep it real with you guys. We show you everything, right? We have our losses in here, right? But I mean, we be stacking, right? We keep it real. Continuation here. Trying to push. Making crypto honest again. That's what it's all about, guys. I'm so glad I bought some spot down there. My God. Adam, what's going on? Afkus Johnson, Tony Soprano, Gunner, what's going on? Good to see you. Guys, if I see CME Gap in my chat today, I'm going to mute you for 24 hours. If I see CME Gap in my chat today, I'm going to mute you for 24 hours. I'm telling you now. And anybody who's late who comes in and mentions a CME Gap, I'm just going to mute them. Silverback at $50. Let's go. Afkus Johnson, Adam, what's going on? JC, good morning. Good to see you. Melissa, you think you're funny. I love you too. You're going to order a champion. I'll buy it for you. Philly Skills. What's going on? Good to see you, Neil. Good morning, K-Pack. Good to see you. How you doing? French Toaster, Steve Hickey. Jitender. What's going on, man? Good to see you. Welsh Jesse. Good morning. Menace TV. Buongiorno. I think it's Julia. Julia, what's going on? What's going on? Buongiorno. Come stai? Hector, what's going on? Doo-doo. That's interesting name, man. Get a little rejection here. Very impulsive push to the upside after look at the price action here and then bam. Okay. So for me, this is not something that we're necessarily looking to trade. What's going on, Pedro? Pedro, how are you? First time? Welcome, man. We're here live. We trade every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. We show you the trades. We take the trades. We let you know what we're looking for. We kind of try to protect you and navigate these charts. It's never financial advice. We're just here every single day trying to kick ass, take names, and grow the account. What's going on, Buck? Good to see you. J Tinder, Tony Soprano, Soul, Menace, Lorelai. Good to see you. How you doing? 008. It's James Bond's cousin. That didn't make the cut. His name's Lames Bond. Lames. Daniel, what's going on? Caprude? What's going on, man? Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Jeff Carlson, my man. Bull Runner. Good to see you. FZ, what's going on? Quick Smoker, you're ridiculous, bro. You really want me to call it Lurkers that much? Daniel, Albert, good to see you. Good morning. Randy Hipper. What's going on, Randy? Good to see you. Let's see some Randy Hippers in the chat. God bless you. AlexOCrypto, French Toaster. Okay, here we go. Quick Smoker with the 50. Let's go. God bless you. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Fractal Breaks. Lurker. Hyper. Lurker. Noodle. Definitely a lurker. Crypto Jack Off. Lurker. King D. Let's go. Mohammed. Lurker. Let's try and say this guy's name. Suleiman Ikar Akoyun. Lurker. Thomas. Lurker. Black Levin. Good to see you, man. Good morning. Richard Price. Lurker. JR has a twin. Lurker. Kalichi, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Rohit. Lurker. Arab Ben. Why can't you just be Ben, man? Why do you have to be Arab Ben? Lurker. What is a CME gap? Exactly. Rye Lurker. What's going on, Randy? How you been? How was your weekend? I know you're busy. We have to figure out a time. Lino Lurker. Mario, what's going on? Thank you for being here. Good morning. Gang. Retest to previous highs, continuation up here. We're going to do top-down analysis too. I think I need to get some more coffee before we do that. My God. Voro, Lurker. Sam Stockdale, Lurker. Marco, Lurker. Mason, Lurker. Pedro, Ima, Lurker, bit busy. Lurker. Lurker. Quick Smoker, thank you so much for the 50, man. I appreciate you, bro. Thank you for being part of the family. Major, Lurker. Manan, Meta, Lurker. Greg, good to see you, man. Nelson, Lurker. My God, look at all these lurkers. Apulio, what's going on, man? Good to see you, Spee. Dave, good morning. Let's just think about that, Gennaro. I told you, don't type CME in my chat, man. Don't type CME in my chat. Jason, Lurker. Amol, Lurker. My God, Lurker. Lurkers galore. If you're wondering what it is, like, if you're new here, so the memberships in this or in YouTube show you people who don't say good morning. It's basically like you flip over the rock and you see the bugs in the stream. That's basically what the memberships do. Okay, and we call them lurkers on a wanking chariot. They're here, they're watching, they don't say good morning. The only requirement I have on my stream is don't be friggin' weird, man. Come in, say good morning. You're watching me, just say good morning, okay? Or good afternoon, or whatever. What's up, ugly short hobbit man with a polar bear guarding its ledger up its ass, or whatever. Like, I don't care what you call me. Come in and say good morning, head nod. You can even go in here and go head nod, okay? I don't care what you do. Just don't be weird, man. Don't just sit there and watch me and be like, oh, this guy, I don't know about this guy. Anyways. So when we go through this and we get gifted memberships, we can see who's watching, who doesn't say good morning, okay? I know Steve H watches. Good morning. Who's my man? Brewberry. What's going on? I know. See, CryptoStorm, I've never seen you say good morning. You're a lurker. Anmol, lurker, right? Jabroni, pepperoni. Like, good name, but lurker, man. And then Sin City Crypto. What's going on, guys? Good to see you. Stephen S. Lurker. Black Ice Lurker. So that's it, man. Chelsea, good morning. Good to see you. Christos Lurker. Jacko. Lurker. Jay Becker. And if I call you a lurker and you have said good morning, just say it. Just say it more often. Maybe I'll recognize your name. Max H, Lurker. What's going on, Wave Cypher? Good to see you. You're welcome, an otter gang. Let's go, man. Past week has been rough, no lie. Yeah, no worries. We'll make it work. Thank you guys for being here. Crypto Pete, Christos, Chelsea. Yeah, awesome. Thank you so much, Quick Smoker, for the 50, man. I appreciate you, bro. Cal, what's going on? French Toaster, Piggy Lame, Llama, Farhad, Lurker. Let's go. Shirley Sound, Marion Joy, what's going on? Good to see you guys here. So, a little pump and dump here, enticing buyers this morning. Nothing that we typically want to participate in. Okay, it's like very impulsive. Maybe we come back to VWAP for a little slap here and fill the gap. Pump and dump here. We're Bart Simpsoning right now, so we have definitely pushed up and consolidated sideways. So I am looking for retracements down lower. We'll see what materializes today, everybody. It's Monday, false move Monday. Maybe we go down, and then rest of the week we pump. There is news lingering on about the government opening up again. Now, it's not open yet. Now, what happens is the government has to vote, okay, and they need 60 votes, and they have like 55 Republicans or something like that, and they need 5 more Democrats to vote as well, okay, to reach 60. So they vote, and then they have like a 30-hour debate, and then they vote, and then they have another 30-hour debate. Okay, it's really weird how they do it. I'm Canadian. I'm just learning these things, okay? So they could open as early as tomorrow, but as late as Thursday, even if they debate. Depends on how much they want to master debate, okay? So we could see it Thursday or we could see it Tuesday. So we're caught between the titties, guys, TTs. Okay, so we'll see where we go. This is obviously bullish because liquidity gets injected back into the market. People go back to their jobs. We get data, stuff like that. So it's something we're looking forward to. Doesn't necessarily mean it's going to happen right away. So be aware of that. That's my knowledge of that I understand. Maybe we should fact check with Army Piper. I'm sure he's much more knowledgeable on that. I haven't seen him in the chat yet, though. He's kind of slacking this morning. I don't know. Maybe we'll send our stream to Randy Hipper this morning because he isn't in here giving us the facts about the government opening up again. Thank you, Quick Smoker Louis. So what's going on, Dreamer? Good to see you, bro. How you been? Apulia, I'm not weird. I liked your good morning on Discord. Thank you. I appreciate you, man. Sniper Paul, what's up, Paul? Good to see you. Petron, what's going on? Caesar, good morning. Ryan, good morning. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. You look naked in your picture, bro. It's kind of, I don't even want to know. Let's see. Are you naked? Oh, yeah. You lift, bro. Okay. He lifts, guys. I'm not even going to, I don't want to show you half naked on my channel. Sorry. But you lift, man. Good job. Keep it up, man. You're inspirational to everybody. A lot of people need to learn how to lift weights. Lift heavy things, put them back down again, just to pick them up again, just to put them down again. Thank you for being inspirational. Stoyan, what's going on? Kwame, Rafiki, let's go, man. Edcamp, Pedro, what's going on? Cryptoholic David, good morning from Portugal. Hey, hey, carai. That's what they would say, right? Hey, carai. I've been to Portugal. I went to the Algarve. I ate all your pastel de natas. It was beautiful, man. Great fish. Went short? Not yet. We need structure change. Good morning, Bulldogger. Freedom. You need some more coffee. Absolutely. I need to stock. I'm getting low right now. Good morning. Been scalping the hell out of Soul. Good job. Levels from Discord with my Forex account in the past 8 days. Best Discord in all of the land, guys. It really is, though. Level to level with Solana, man. If you go level to level on Solana with my key levels, I mean, ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Oh, man, look. I mean, like, very, very simple. Anyways, thank you for being part of the family. VWAP slap right now. I do appreciate everybody who is in the Discord. We have the best Discord in all of crypto, like literally the best Discord. I mean, 8 traders, constant signals. You can't even keep up. There's so much alpha. Amazing traders. Brewberry, Kyle, Smart Money Concepts, Momentum, SFPs, Signal guys. I mean, and just 100. How many lessons are there? 130? Someone counted. There's 130, right? I think Ryan counted. Ryan, how many lessons are there? 130? Afkus Johnson, Lurker Watch. Yeah, that's the one. Crypto Buzz, Lurker. Kenny, Lurker. Cyrus, Lurker. Jonathan Greenville, Lurker. Crypto Blood, what's going on, man? We're coming on Friday, right? We coming this Friday? Is it this Friday? We're going to do a X Spaces? He invited me. He's family, man. Crypto Blood. If you guys aren't following Crypto Blood, I don't know what you're doing, man. You slacking. You slacking. When the government shutdown over? Yeah, I answered that already. Are you looking for shorts? No. What days do you teach in Prime? Monday to Friday. Ryan Smith. Monday to Friday. So after this stream, I have breakfast with my family, and then the following hour, I teach for an hour with OC. So there you go. Army Piper finally shows up. Army Piper finally shows up. Thank you so much, John Foster Crypto, for the 5, man. I appreciate you, bro. Lucky Deal, good morning. Quick Smoker, me hi. Miken, good morning, Lurkers. Shirley Sound, good morning. Good to see you guys. Primo Viva. Army Piper, tell me if this is correct, okay? Now that you're here and you're paying attention, okay? Government shutdown is not happening yet. What happens is they need 60 votes. They have 55 Democrats. They need like 5 or 55 Republicans. They need 5 Democrats to kind of vote with them. So they vote. Then they have like a 30-hour debate. Then they vote. And then they have like another 30-hour debate depending on the vote. And they can drag it out all the way till Thursday. Earliest it will open is Tuesday. So between the titties, TTs, okay? That's my understanding. I don't know if I'm correct. Maybe you can tell me. But I think that's how it works. VWAP slap continuation trade here. Oh, it's tempting. You tell me if I'm right. CG Beats, good to see you. Welcome, Refund. Vincenzo La Spezza. What's going on? Good morning, Baby G. Humble pie, yes. We're looking for a potential humble pie, but I did do an update this morning, Lucky Deal. So where we're looking to hold. Yeah, they voted and it passed. Okay. 50-year mortgage. Yeah, that's stupid. Correct. I think it will be Thursday or Friday. You nailed it. Guys, I study stuff, you know. I'm Canadian and I even know that American thing. See? Look at that. Bro, I need my beauty sleep. You are beautiful, so I get it. Dear, I buy GTO coins, $4 price 16 months ago. Can you check the price? We don't do altcoins here. We trade. I'm not your altcoin guy, man. I just tell you it's a shit coin and sell it. I'm bad for that, man. They got the 60 votes. Cool. Now they're debating. Only passes if Canada becomes the 51st state. Guys, sign me up. Cheaper taxes. Okay. At least do it. At least make Alberta the 51st state. Okay. Cheaper taxes. Right. Competition. Lower the cost of food. Stuff like that. I'm down for it, man. Whatever. I'm not opposed. 51st state. Independent state. Call me Alaska. I don't care. At the end of the day, just stay away from my child. Give us freedom. Let us work hard, earn a good wage, not pay extortionate inflation. You know, those kind of things. And please protect us from China. And that's it, man. Like you're Canadian or you're Canadian, right? I grew up, I could skate backwards by the time I was 4. You know what I mean? So like ice skate, okay? I mean, I can hit a slap shot from center ice, top shelf. Right? I think the Canadian test should be is if you can stick handle while skating backwards, looking up. That should be to prove you're Canadian in hockey. What's going on, Sin City Crypto? Did you message? Are you trying to get a hold of me? Did I miss your chat? What's going on, bro? Good to see you guys. Don't worry, I already covered your $100 for the giveaway too, Sin City Crypto. Don't worry about it. I got you guys. We did the giveaway. We pumped your channel. We'll continue to pump your channel. We love you guys. Good to see you. Damn, I should have taken that VWAP slap, guys. Newfoundland equals India now with polar bears. Each province should be the state, not the whole country. Each province, yeah. Whatever. We'll take AlexO, keep the rest. Yeah, thank you. I appreciate you. Anybody take the long here? Put a 1 in the chat if you took the long off the VWAP slap. That was valid. It was valid coming up to this high here. It's a tough range this morning, guys. The leap. You guys want me to whoop everybody's ass in this? I don't mind. You guys can. I don't know. They're trying to get everybody leaping. The leap. Sounds so intense. Do you trade leaps? A lot of people in this chat don't even know what trading leaps is. They just trade crypto. Do you guys know what trading leaps is? Are you a smart little cookie? I think David used to trade options or leaps. I don't know what. David, didn't you used to trade leaps? You traded options before, no? We love you back. Thanks for popping in, man. It's early for you, man. You catch the worm like me. You're mountain time like me, no? Nice push here. You guys are all long off VWAP slap. You guys, man. You're dusting me already. You guys are dusting me already. What instrument is this? It's called the... Oh, you cheeky... You're cheeky, man. You're cheeky. Guys, Sin City Crypto, man. You can't get away with it. God bless you, man. Thank you for starting the day. You're cool. You guys are cool. I appreciate you guys. You guys are family anyways. Now you're making me guilty and I want to come to Vegas now. Bitcoin Vegas. I got to come. I'm going to tell the wife I'm going to come. She's probably going to be mad at me. Didn't you guys call virtual? Yeah, you guys called virtual Zcash. Holy shite. Guys, Zcash. Go watch the video. Damn, your thumbnails just get better and better. Mine remain the same. Guys, 500 more subscribers. Are we going to do 100K? Are we going to do 100K party for you guys or what? 100K party? I'll fly out there, man. I'll fly out there. I'll get Rob White Girl wasted. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. God bless you. I will open the damn club, man. I will buy the club. Yeah, we have to. Yeah, it's kind of like Sin City, kind of. Let's go. Let's go. You can. Trench Juice, you already take advantage of me, bro. You're in my DMs, all right? Open the club. Thank you, Randy, for being here. That's awesome, man. I'm so glad to see you guys grow. You guys, how many subscribers did you have when I first went on your channel? 15,000? My God, that was a long time ago. A long, long time ago. Will you take a trade live? Yes. If it's there, I'll take it. I take trades live all the time, man. That's why we're all here waiting. I need more coffee, though. Let me get more coffee. You guys can leave. Everybody who's not like a... I wouldn't want to say fan is kind of... You guys aren't fans. You guys are family. I'll be right back. I'm going to go and get some coffee. Then we're going to trade.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.
All right. Shaking at the weak hands. We've shaken at the weak hands. Let's go. All right. Let's get some trades in. Crypto. Is that you beatboxing? No. Good times. Solana, lana lang, Solana lana lang lang li lang lang lang. Oh yeah, girl, I want to make you sweat. All right, everybody. Let's take a look here, everybody. What is going on, gang? I think that's enough of that. Yeah, me too, man. Have a nice day. Anyways. So what are we looking at here, guys? So obviously a push, right? Obviously a push. What is key is that we have flipped volume. So for me, I would not like to see us lose 104.5. It's kind of 103.5, 104.5 is kind of the line in the sand that I'm looking for the price to hold, but we're coming into a lot of major resistance. Okay, understanding that we are in a downtrend. This is corrective. Everybody's going to be euphoric. They are going to send us some humble pie, as we talk about a lot here. So, you know, we can look at, oh my God, downtrending here, getting above 110, 108 is going to be critical. Okay, yes, I agree. The key here is how much do we push before we come back? Okay. And how much do we push in comparison to altcoins? So if we push up here, okay, does Bitcoin dominance rise or does it stay flat? Okay. If we push up here, do altcoins follow suit or do they stay flat? If we push up here, these are the things you must watch because it doesn't really matter if Bitcoin goes up or down. It matters of how the market behaves. And if you can see that, then we can possibly get an altcoin push, or we could possibly get a dead cat bounce and go to zero. Okay, so you need to be aware of these things going forward. Now, Market Cipher is looking good to the upside here on the 3-day and the daily. Some good posturing. The 12 hours trying to push back as well with a beautiful pushback here on money flow and momentum. However, VWAP's getting overextended, suggesting we could possibly see downside in the next couple of days. The 8-hour money flow is crossing up as well with a big, huge anchor wave pushing onwards and upwards here, but getting overextended. The 4-hour warning sign here. Will it go up or will it go down, right? Defending the zero line here. Money flows coming in, so this looks decent. However, a little bit overextended to the upside here. Same with the 3, same with the 2, same with the 1. Resetting here on the 1 hour, trying to push back. Okay, so overall, great push. Liquidity, absolutely. CME gap, yes. Okay, there is a gap here at 104. Okay, if you're wondering, you say CME gap in the stream one more time, you're gone. Just like Buddy who doesn't like beatboxing. Anyways, maybe I'm a little sensitive this Monday, but this is what we're looking for. So as we push here, we are obviously overextended. So the number one warning is that liquidity and obviously Bart Simpson, false move Mondays, right? So for me, I would love to see a retest back into here, order block continuation trade. Doesn't necessarily mean it's going to happen. We do have bullish momentum here. We could come back into here and continue this way as well. Okay, however, if we continue to push here, the further we push, the more overextended we have, the harder we will fall, in my opinion, where we would look to come back down into here and retest. And this is where everybody will get humbled. Now, if Bitcoin falls like this, what can you expect for your altcoins? So be prepared for that as well. Okay, so we would prefer for this to have nice structure on the way out here rather than Valhalla. Now, dusting everybody in behind here and pushing out, something we were anticipating. After breaking this high and retesting back in here, we were looking for longs in the Discord, and we've done well. Okay, I don't know about you guys, but I've done really well. If you guys remember, what was it? Was it last week or 2 weeks ago? It was the 1st. So since the 1st, 11 days in, my account now, I feel bad for telling you guys this, but it's 82,900. Okay, that's what I started at 50K 11 days ago. Okay, comprende? Okay, actually, I have spot bags, so it just went up to 83. Okay, so happy days. Really good swing trade from down here over the weekend. If this, then that. So we're prepared. So what are we looking for today? Well, government opening up, everybody getting all bullish, excited, liquidity coming back in, overextended for our NASDAQ. So we would look for big gap energy. Look at this. So this would be a target down to the lower part. If we're going to come back down and humble everybody, that would be where we would look for price to actually retrace to and then continue out from. Okay, the S&P, same thing, big old ripper to the upside here. So looking for a possible gap up, fill the gap, and then come back down. So we would look for a gap up, fill the gap, and then we would look for continuation as well. That would be healthy. Okay, overextended. Everybody's getting a little bit too happy pants about, possible bottom being in and government opening up and quantitative easing coming. I get it. I'm bullish too. However, how many times, what is the story? Like, how many times do you have to be fooled before you realize what the story is? They're not going to give you an easy ride, okay? So be prepared for that. That's how I prepare everybody. We prepare for the worst case scenario, and then we can jump on trend. Okay, so that's typically how I do it. You guys can do it however the hell you want to do it. That's up to you. Okay. Bitcoin. Bart Simpson minimum coming down to this order block. I would prefer to slap into this order block down in here at 103.5. Okay, we have our key areas. We're ready to trade right now. Bitcoin's trying to pump. The more we pump, the worse it is, I think. And we could jump on trend. Like, obviously, we're scalpers, right? So we could, jump on, look for the SFP, jump down. Either way, up, down, all around, we're prepared, right? So for me right now, just being a little bit patient. Lots of pivots below us. Yeah, it's time to be aware-ish, not bearish, but aware-ish, right? We want to just have our key levels, trade the key levels. No, don't trade emotionally. Obviously, you're all feeling FOMO now. Oh my God, I missed a VWAP slap. We could have gone to the moon. I would have been up $50 right now. We told you VWAP slap, but a lot of the times here, like, my job is to protect the new traders. This is never financial advice. I'm not your dad. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a hobbit in Canada who clicks buy and sell successfully and hopefully help you guys navigate the charts as well. So what are we trying to do here? Participate safely. My job is to protect you as best as possible. I'll give you my ideas, my thoughts. I will take trades. I'll show you my trades. But at the end of the day, your job is to manage your risk. Okay? You will not survive this game if you're just here clicking buttons and not managing your risk. You will fail. Okay? You will. Because I did it for a while. Until you start doing that. And it's the easiest thing to do, man, is to manage your risk. Okay? So you manage your risk and then you develop a strategy. You employ that strategy over time. Hopefully you become profitable. Okay? Not bullish, not bearish. Aware-ish. AlexOCrypto. That's the one. Thank you, Alexander G. I love having you here. The best mod queen in all of crypto. Let's see some Alexander G's. Do you guys know what the Alexander G emoji looks like, guys? This is the mod queen. This is the mod queen. Do you guys know? It says, "Excuse me, sir. Are you over there not using a stop loss? Excuse me. Excuse me? Hello? Hello? Respect my authority." Bet you didn't know it looked like that, did you? Let's go. Let's short the Ponzi. I hear you. I hear you. We're almost there. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. What do you see, ME? You pushing it, bro. Good morning, No Diggity. Good morning. On your Discord stream last night, fell asleep with the baby in my arms. Aw. Left my phone on and my fiance came running and thinking there was someone here. Oh, man. God bless you. Hopefully the baby's doing well. My mom is from... Dave, you're too much, man. Did you know, everybody, Dave's mom is from India? Did you miss the giveaway? We did the giveaway on Friday. We did also the swear jar giveaway as well. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 410 people in here. How many likes do we have? I haven't asked for likes. See, 134. If I asked for likes, I bet you would be at 200. What the fuck, holy cow? What do you mean, Django on the account? Yeah, we're doing all right, bro. We're doing all right. Should have got HippoCoin. Aziz, good morning. Good to see you. Let's go. Ramus, good morning. Sulfur continuation. No. Looking to sweep this high here, 170. Big fair value gap above. Order block here. Yeah. No trade here. Not ready to come down yet, but getting there. Yeah, no trade on Sol. ETH is in these areas. ETH is a poop coin, guys. So when you look at it, an asset, right? You want pretty clean structure, right? Why? Because you want to be able to jump on trend with good risk management, right? So I want to be able to long here, stop loss below the low, and make money, okay? Because you can be an absolute tard and buy the top, okay? And you can still make money as long as you use good risk management. With ETH, you don't get that, okay? Understand, ETH doesn't respect levels. ETH round trips you every single time. Look at this. So you push up, you come down, you put in a low, you push up, put in, take that low. You push up, take that low, right? So you're round tripping, push up, guess what? Push up, come right back down, retest the highs. The fake out, look at this fake out. Bang, bang, wrecked. Okay, if you got long in here, you're wrecked. Okay, so I always suggest you don't trade ETH. ETH is good for bias on the way it looks. So if ETH looks like this, look, you got, remember we said when we dumped here, said ETH didn't put in a double bottom, which showed strength, but it also showed key liquidity that we would come back to get eventually, right? Okay, you could also see big bull div break a structure here, retest continuation. Here's your perfect balloon dog, right? So you get your perfect double bottom continuation. This actually gives you the actual move, which is a good sign on ETH, right? So you look for ETH for confluence on your ideas on Bitcoin and Solana. You don't typically trade ETH. Okay, it's very good though for visually seeing structure on a higher term time frame. I like it because sometimes ETH will give you the tell versus other things, right? It'll give you the bearish divergence coming up, SFP rotation back down. It'll give you the double bottom continuation trade. It'll give you, right? I always suggest you flip through other assets to kind of see, like, look at ETH right now. ETH right now is in a bull flag, right? You have double bottom trying to push up, no break of structure. Solana is higher highs, higher lows, right? Rising wedge. So a little bit overextended for Solana, where ETH is doing one of these, right? So maybe you get bearish divergence, lower high, right? And then you can short this thing down. So using other assets to your advantage is going to help you, especially like blue chips like ETH and Sol and whatever, AVAX, Link. But they're going to give you tells that will help you with bias, right? At the end of the day, Bitcoin dominance is so high that your Bitcoin's still going to remain daddy. That's why you can use Bitcoin for confluence. Let's say you have a good setup on Sol, you see it come down, sweep a whatever this was, golden pocket right here, probably swing low to swing high, golden pocket 786, bounce, right? You don't see that on Bitcoin, but you see it here, but you see Bitcoin's pushing out of these lows. Okay, you can take the Solana trade because it makes more sense, right? So it's going to help you get bias, but also see what you're used to seeing, because this is pattern recognition, right? If you can notice the pattern over and over again and you can trade it with good risk management, you can make money here as long as you're aware of what you're trading and where your invalidation is, right? Like the key is knowing where you're wrong and then knowing where to take profit. And if you can do those things typically well, then you can survive this crazy market. But it's not easy, guys. It's not meant to be easy. All I see right now on Solana is Rafiki, right? We just see him dropping Simba off of a cliff right now. I don't know if you guys see it, but whenever I see price action like this, I just see this guy right here. Dun, 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 dun. I just see Simba going for an absolute ride. Whee! Right? Like, so overextended liquidity, patience. Not going to take the short here. I'd like to see how we come into market open. Chopping at the top here for bidding. No buying up here, right? So we wait. Patience. View ups below us. We could have taken that slap continuation up to the highs. Great trade. If you did take that, GG's everybody. Not for me right now. I wasn't fully paying attention here. So you don't take those trades, right? We want to be engaged. 415 people, only 160 likes, guys. We just need 40 more. You guys can do it. Okay? Round tripping is my trading strategy. I mean, if you're not paying yourself in this environment, you're going to round trip. Absolutely. Right? So key targets, time frames, Is a bull flag better than higher highs and higher lows, depending on what you're looking for, Andrea? So with bull flags, what you're looking for is liquidity sweep. So you push up and you consolidate sideways, right? So you get something like this. You're, in my opinion, you're not looking for this trade. You're looking for the SFP into a key area. So you're looking for this thing to kind of develop a range, but you're looking for that last volume spike in here, this one, to give you the sign of strength. That's the one you're looking for. Maybe a fair value gap, maybe an order block down in here. That's the area you're looking for the signal of where the bulls step up and become buyers and price continues out of there, okay? With higher highs and higher lows, you're looking for retests of previous highs. So you got structure on the way up, which gives you opportunities to get long as well. I prefer this rather than a push and consolidation, because typically a bull flag will leave liquidity and imbalance below. Okay, so keep those in mind. Like Solana, if you just go into Solana, let's go 15-minute here. Right, if I just draw a line on the highs of all this, retest previous high, retest previous high, retest to previous high, retest to previous high. Like, you don't have to be a rocket scientist to absolutely crush this thing, right? You can see long, 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 and you're just taking the trend up, right? Now you can also see with the bull flag, if this was a bull flag, which it is, you can see the SFP into a key area. There's your order block, right? That is bulls stepping up and buying price action there, right? So order block, retest to previous high. So you have order block and high here. You're just waiting for this level. It's hard to wait through here. This is where the trade is. Okay? Right? Even this retest to look how long you have to wait here. Where do the bulls step up, right? Where do they SFP? Strength, right? We go on ETH, same thing, right? But look at this ugly bull flag. This isn't easy to get in on. This isn't easy to get in on. It's a retest of previous highs, but still not easy. Okay, so I don't typically trade ETH. Hopefully that helps you out. Bitcoin looking strong here, looking to push up. Still no trade at the top here. Solana continuation as well. Yep, higher highs, higher lows. This is clearly a bull trap. It's enticing buyers right now. So trying to trap traders at the top. Not my place to be in a trade. Obviously, this was where we wanted to trade, or even this accumulations crap. So still waiting here, guys. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. 10 more likes, that would be great. Of course, Andrea, God bless you. Thank you so much for the 50. You don't have to do that. Come on. With your line markers on Sol, can you... Those are Discord levels, man. So the horizontals are just support and resistance, man. They're just the way I do support and resistance. And I think I have videos on that if you want to implement it. It's volume, shelves, support and resistance. Thank you, Andrea, so much for always coming through. I appreciate you. You don't have to do that, though. Rising wedgie on BTC, maybe. Clocking in dry powder for next dip, yeah. Am I planning on doing any giveaways? No, we did giveaways on Friday last week. We do giveaways randomly, though. Try to help out other people's channels. We typically try to pump other people's channels. We're trying to get WaveCypher to 1,000. He just got monetized by YouTube, which is pretty cool, man. What's going on, Mark? Good to see you, bro. That's why I like Sol. Easy to understand. Sol is a chop and pop, right? So Solana is very... If you understand chop and pop price action, you just have to be able to get direction correct. And if you can use Bitcoin as confluence, you can make a lot of money. You can also lose a lot of money if you're wrong. So there's a risk to reward, especially when Bitcoin's outperforming altcoins. You typically don't want to jump on Solana trades, right? When Bitcoin dominance is up, you typically don't want to jump on Solana trades. You just want to trade Bitcoin, but that's totally up to you guys. Failure to push through here. Overextended, bear divs. Yeah. I'm not going to short this. I just don't want to fade the top. I'd like to see structure change. I'd like to see this low taken. VWAP lost. That's where we would look to short for now. Coming into 9 o'clock, the hourly has printed. So you always want to make sure you're checking your time down here when trading, because you're going to get more candles printing every 15 minutes, right? You check your 15-minute time frame. Your hourlies are important to check as well. Understanding when your 12 hours coming in is also a very important one, because then you got your 12, 8, and 4, which is good. Okay, so you understand that. So hourly green dot printing, trying to push here, right? So a very strong engulfing hourly candle coming into market open, trying to push out, which is good. Money flows coming in, VWAP crossover to the upside, which is nice. Little mini trigger wave here on the 30-minute, trying to push up. Gonna create a lot of bear divs here if we push higher, right? You're gonna have this all the way through. So be aware of that. We could get overextended, which we already are, guys. We already are in Bart Simpson territory, minimum, coming back down to retest these highs. Okay, up, cross, down, balance in the force. Okay, so be aware of that. You're longing the top here if you're long. So remember, scalp longs up at the highs here if you are taking scalps. Patience here. We'll see how it materializes for the rest of the day. NASDAQ opening up quite bullishly yesterday night, so we did manage to let everybody know in the Discord, even though we were busy. We did a lot of updates yesterday. We did 1,000 altcoins, everybody. I mean, this is the best Discord in crypto. 8 traders helping guys navigate. Look, a new signal from HRJ. I'm not going to show that. I went through, I did all of your altcoins for you yesterday. I don't know how many I did. I did like 30. Looking for the pullbacks on those. Just an incredible group of people. Everybody coming through saying good morning in the morning. 130 lessons, I think. Personal lessons. Everybody kicking ass, taking names. Incredible. Just an incredible space. I'm so grateful for everybody in it. I mean, I think we're building the best value in all of crypto, but we'll continue to show up. There's too much. There's almost too much info in the Discord. Yeah. What's going on, Chicken? Good to see you, bro. How you been, man? Can you give me a free membership and $100? Yeah, Piper. Just come over to the Discord, join the complaints section, and we'll get you. We'll get you in, bro. Alex O is a legend. Come on, man. I'm just here clicking buttons, man. I'm just here clicking buttons, the same as you. Just been just trying to be patient, man. Join the Discord and he'll tell you all about it. It's lit. God bless you, JR. Piper, I'll split the 100 with you. Wifey, you too smart, man. Don't do that to Piper. You might confuse him. Oh, man. I love you too, Piper. This price action sucks, guys. Look at this. Like they grind you from 8:30 all the way across. Look at the longs that are. They trapped longs here, dumped it on their heads, right? Like, you're going to be rewarded for your patience today. I promise you that. If you just skis in the chat, guys, like if you stand on the hands today, I think today's a good hand day. Be a handyman, okay? Your job today is to sit on the hands, okay? If you're wondering what skis are, we have a picture for that somewhere. I don't know where it is. Did we create a sticker? I think we created a sticker for that, didn't we? I don't know. Can I give myself a handy? Well, you can do whatever you want. I prefer it not to be to my stream, but people are weird, man, on their wanking chariots. Shorting 170 Sol. Well, we're in a sell wall, so sell walls have been banging. Trying to hold that 166 here. Solana breaking down. Yeah. Bearish divergence, rotation, back down to the liquidity of the lows. Possible. Holding on here for Bitcoin. Trying to push back. Buyers trying to step up here. 905. Thank you guys for being here, hanging out on the stream. God bless you. We got 469 people here. 211 likes, guys. Thanks for hitting those like buttons. I appreciate it. I'll shut up about that now. Steve Hickey, what's going on? Good to see you. Thank you for being here. I muted my microphone. My son's crying. He's up and he's not happy. Oh, man. Have children, they said. It'll be fun. Honestly, it's the greatest thing ever. It's hard. It is hard. It's hard to do it right. Like, I think anybody these days, and like, I see it all the time. People's kids are like zombies, man. They put them in front of like a tablet. They put them in front of a phone. They give them loud, obnoxious toys. Right? And then they sit there on their wanking chariots. Okay? They sit there as parents on their phones like this. Phone zombies as well. Okay? And they're just sitting there looking at their phone all day while their kids sitting here wondering where their parent is, while they're looking at Coco Melon or whatever they're making their kids watch. Absolutely making them an absolute... Anyways. It's sad, man. It's sad. It's sad. Because it's the other way is hard, right? The other way is like you give them like 3 toys to play with for the week. You feed them healthy food. You don't introduce screens at all. You don't be on your phone around your kid. Right? It's not easy. Right? It's not easy. Can we trust this pump? We can to a certain extent, and so like it has pushed up pretty good. But it has created a lot of liquidity below us. The escape velocity is good. We've had pushed out. We have reclaimed a critical level of support. So like literally trying to stay above here is going to be critical. 1035. Trying to stay above this support level here. Key volume in here. Okay, so if we can stay in here, we should be okay. However, history says that we're coming back. Okay. Until we... So looking at this, like what needs to happen really for me to... Sorry, my chart. Object tree freezes on me all the time. I don't know why. Does that happen to you guys as well? I use the application, but if we look at the chart generally, right, on the daily, where do we have to get to in order to change structure? Right? I think we have to get above this high, right? So there's a ton of work to do. Like there's a lot of work to do. Right. And yeah, Bitcoin can go up 10% in a day, whatever. But where we're at right now, it's got a lot of work to do, in my opinion. Like we can like simplify it and go maybe on a 4-hour and say, hey man. But this dump doesn't give us any highs on the 4-hour here. We only have this internal structure change, right? So it's a lot of work to do. Could we just come back and then go? Absolutely. This is what you should be preparing for. This is easy to get in on. Okay? This is easy trading. Right? This is what you need to prepare for. If you don't prepare for this, you're not ready for crypto, right? So understanding that is key. And then, for me as a scalper, I don't really care. Up, down, all around. Trend is up. Looking for longs, looking for pullbacks, continuation trades. Know where my key areas are. Trying to take trades within those areas, right? As a hodler, okay, as a hodler, I have to have key areas. But we separate our spot bags from our trading bags always, unless it's a swing trade that you take on spot, right? Like I added to hype, I added to aerodrome, okay, and it's paid off, right? It's paid off. I mean, I've been yelling at you guys. I've been buying hype, aerodrome, virtual under $1. I mean, I bought more aerodrome down in here at 88. It's been doing all right, Virtual, same deal. Okay. Hype, same deal. Shouldn't show all the setup, should I? But the hardest thing to do in crypto is to keep your money. We know that. Everybody should know that, especially this cycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Or just absolutely chuck your money in the fire is basically this cycle. So that's why you got to keep it separated. Okay? My Steam's going off. What the hell? I thought Steam was closed. I don't even game. That's my cousin. That's funny. What does she want? Let me message her. $15 till market opens. Yeah. Pump and dump, pump and dump. Look at this shakeout, man. This is not the nicest price action, guys. Something I'm not really keen on. NASDAQ rolling over. No trade yet. Sol. Nice bear div. One of you took a short there. Good job, man. Nice short. Nice short on Solana. Coming back to the range. Bitcoin chopping the top. Bart Simpson, man. Patience. You have any tips for a fellow crypto tuber who became a father today? Is that you? Who? You became... Oh, no way. Cones became a father today? No way. Did he? Coons became a father today? No way. That's awesome, man. Let's go and bless his channel. Oh, man. Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing, guys. All right, guys. We're going to do a giveaway.
Hi, YouTube. In this video, I won't share any
Friend of the channel. Otter Gang in the chat. We'll do a month giveaway. My guy. We are doing a giveaway, see?
immediate wave analysis and I won't cover any chart. Instead, I have an important announcement. I am currently in and around the hospital for the upcoming days, which means that making content is going that is my 4-hour big day, just to make sure that also you.
Let's go, man. God bless you. Oh, man. Let's go. Let's go. Everybody go there. Comment Otter Gang. Gang, gang, gang. Let's go, baby. Man, that's awesome, man. Nice pushback here. Thanks for letting us know, Mark. God bless you, bro. It was grass and ass, but now we hear Crypto Dog. Good to see you, man. We'll see if the comments are working today. We'll see if the comments are working today. The comments are working, everybody. Let's go. Too many? What? Are you serious? Max 53. It won't start. No. No, don't do this to us here. Okay, I'm just gonna scroll then. I'm just gonna scroll.
Hi YouTube. In this video,
I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm not looking. And I'm gonna scroll. And whoever I land on here with the scroll will get it, okay? The last person. You see how it goes blue? The last person. I'm looking away. I don't care who it lands on. Let's go into this person right here. Harp. Harp was the winner, guys. Congratulations, Harp. GG's. Thank you, guys. Sorry it wasn't as exciting. But we ain't playing games today with that. Congratulations, Harp. Let's go. I can't believe I'm giving. Oh, Harp, my guy. Harp's been around forever, man. I love seeing you win. God bless you, Harp. Even though you're an anti-Toronto Maple Leafs fan, I still. Congratulations, bro. You say let's. You're a Flyers fan, right? You say let's go Flyers once in the premium Discord, though, I'm gonna kick your ass. Congratulations, Harp. 10 minutes here till market opens. It's nice seeing people who've been showing up for a while win, though. That's cool, man. Congratulations, bro. Solana trying to bounce here. ETH round tripping. NASDAQ flat as well. No trade here, guys. Just still waiting. Can't force it today. Not gonna force it. VWAP slap was the one trade. Higher low continuation up. Still very wicky right now. So yeah, not really interested. Got a little trigger wave printing right now. Patience. The Simpsons do. Ooh, nice trade for nice trade signal from HRJ. I think we're close to entering even. Ooh. Interesting. Interesting. Can't keep up with the disc. I can't even keep up with our Discord. It's ridiculous, man. It's ridiculous. Grateful. Grateful. That's all. Join the Discord. Congratulations, Harp. You have to be Flyers fans, yeah. Yeah. I don't know about your Flyers, man. Boston does suck. Everybody hates Boston, man. Everybody hates Boston. The Bruins are just, I mean, the Flyers are just as dirty as the Bruins, okay? Especially history-wise. The Flyers are probably dirtier team, history-wise. And then we got French Toaster, the Boston Bruins fan. At the end of the day, market open to dump on us. Everybody's so happy for you, Harp. I'm happy for you too, bro. Oh, Massey. I can't have that in my chat, bro. You know better than that. I'm going to give you 10 seconds to think about what you just put. I never want to see the Montreal Canadiens in my chat, bro. Not today, bro. I put your stupid Montreal Canadiens picture here in the Otter Gang picture because you are part of the family. I didn't change it. But don't you be putting no Montreal Canadiens in a Toronto Maple Leafs fans chat, bro. That's just rude. $13-hour consolidation. Yeah, since what? Since 7 o'clock last night. 7 till 7 till 7 till 9. It's wild. Go Avalanche. You know what? I was an Avalanche fan as a kid. I was an Avalanche and a Leafs fan. I loved Patrick Waugh. Like Patrick Waugh, Joe Sakic, Hayduk, Adam Foote, Forsberg. How could you not love the Avalanche in the 90s, guys? So good. So good. The Broad Street Bullies, yep. Hello, gang. What's up, Randy? Good to see you, man. How you doing? Yeah, they were great in the 90s, man. They were just so good. It was them and Detroit. I mean, Detroit was, top notch too. Osgood, Yzerman, Chelios, Shanahan, right? Crazy. Unfair. What's up, James? Good to see you. Randy's in here? No. Randy's getting her stream ready. You lean to a positive opening? This does not look good. This looks like we're going to lose VWAP and dump. But we'll see how it goes. It was real hockey back then, yeah. When there was a red line. So you couldn't do this stretch pass. The red line, see, in hockey, the red line set up so much good body checks because you needed to cross your blue line to tic-tac to this line here, right? You needed to get out of your blue line to pass to enter the zone here. So if this is their blue line and this is their blue line. But it created so much more physicality because you would have to get across your blue line in order to make this pass to get into their zone. Otherwise, you had a 2-line pass rule, which is illegal, right? So you would have, and people would get smashed right here, or with this pass to this guy, they would get smashed right here. So you set up 2 points of where people would absolutely just get laid out with body checks, like absolutely trash panded, head over teeth. Like, then they removed the red line rule, so then they could pass from blue line to here and enter the zone there, right? For example, you look at Paul Correa, Scott Stevens, Paul Correa. That's a perfect example of why the red line
days, which means that making content is going to be
Scott Stevens, Paul Correa. Look at this body check, guys. This is so sad.
Never win it. Back near side.
So look, he has to pass it.
Gomez. Yep.
Red line over. Look at this. So he has to cross the red line in order to enter the zone. Oh no. Here it comes. Oh. So bad. We won't show it here. It's sad. Great player. No chance. Right? We play hockey on grass. Lindros, yeah. I got a gnarly concussion in the neutral zone back in the day. Laid out yard sale. Yeah, that's it, man. Chelios got traded because he banged the Montreal Canadiens general white. No way, I didn't know that. Think about hockey. It's like the NFL, right? Except people, so it's like the NFL, except you can skate 50 kilometers an hour. So the contact is 10 times harder, right? Imagine people in the NFL could run 50 kilometers an hour. That's what you have with hockey, okay? So you have the speed factor. You have the contact factor. Then you get the UFC when they fight. You get the UFC. Go watch some Domi and Brashear, okay? The good old days. I know Harp loves a good Domi and Brashear fight, okay? And then you have these guys who can just like absolutely dangle the puck and put it in the net. Pavel Datsyuk, like insane goals, okay? It's the best sport in the world. You're allowed to kill each other, and you score really cool goals. It's the best ever. When people are like, "Oh, the NFL, they hit so much harder," go 50 kilometers an hour or 30 miles an hour, and then let's talk. The speed factor is so different. You got a 6'5" guy who's 6'8" on skates, 260 pounds, slamming you into boards at 30 kilometers an hour. Okay. Anyways. Domi Brashear. Yeah, absolutely. All right, rolling over, coming into market open. We got 20 seconds here, everybody. Good patience. No trades yet. Still waiting. If you are still with us, 470 people here. Thank you for hanging out. We're here taking trades live every day. Hasn't been a setup that I really like. Here we got bearish divergence up at the highs here, rolling over. Consolidation sideways. Bart Simpson looking to rotate back down into this area at 104.8. We'll see if we hold 105.7. Coming into market open now. Market is open. Whoa. Whoa. That's a big gap, guys. That's a big gap to start the day for the S&P 500 ripping to the upside. NASDAQ trying to push here. Big gap for the S&P, guys. Coming up for this gap down here. Whew. Big gap energy, guys. Patience. Soul flat. So we talked about this on, I believe on Friday. When you have a move up like this for Bitcoin or NASDAQ, you typically get the big gap on the S&P. Okay, and Bitcoin stays flat. Okay, the SPY catches up. So the Bitcoin's already made this move over the weekend, right? So Bitcoin will stay flat here while the S&P does its thing in here, and then possibly down. So beautiful bullish opening here on Monday. NASDAQ absolutely ripping faces. Beautiful push here. Bitcoin flat. No trade here. Looking for the SFP VWAP slap here. Possibility. Patience here. Coming in. Still no trade. Like to see strength here being held. NASDAQ, SFP of the high. Rotation back down possible. SPY chopping about here. Bitcoin rolling over. Solana rolling over. Looking to come for this low here on Solana. Preferably into here. We'll see what we get. Bitcoin dumping here. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Congratulations. Mr. Superstar Bart Simpson traders, you guys. Look for SFP of this low here. We'll see if we can come back up and reclaim VWAP here. Pretty volatile this morning into market opens. Solana rotating down. ETH rotating down. The SPY is still looking strong. Okay. NASDAQ. SFP. Patience here. Looking for the sweep of the low. See if it does want to come and grab it. Congratulations on your shorts, everybody who did get short. GG's. Big gaps are for big wicks. Big wick energy, baby. Let's go. Sitting on hands. Yeah. Trading is waiting. That's the way. Trading is waiting. 2-poo. JR's in a 2-poo. You're probably trading on the toilet. Careful. Careful about those toilet traders. Don't drop your phone in the toilet and get liquidated. Literally. Oh, they'll slap here. Trying to bounce. NASDAQ continuing to try and push. Retest to previous highs. Continuation up. Solana. Reclaim of VWAP here. Reclaiming VWAP. Still no trade for me. See how this candle closes. Still waiting here. Typically I would have longed that, but I'm not giving it away on this Monday, guys. It's just not for me to give away right now. Nice bounce on ETH. Nice bounce on Sol. NASDAQ still trying to push here. SPY still pushing. Good discipline here. I wanted to long that, guys. Good discipline. Just a retest. Wick test in here. That's interesting. Wick test in here. Rotating down. Still waiting. Not the greatest follow through here on the NAS. Lots of liquidity to come and grab. See how it behaves down in here. Bitcoin dumping. Solana retest back in. Rotation down. Same with ETH. NASDAQ looking weak. Trapping traders at the highs. That's a big gap this morning. What is that? 1% gap up. Interesting. Bitcoin falling here. Coming for the lows. Liquidity in the lows here. I like here. We can look here. Here and here we can look for possible SFPs. Got that liquidity in here. This one's nicer, the lower one, because it's retesting this high. Nice dump. Still waiting. I mean, dump. What are we talking about? 0.5%? Yeah, it's nothing. Down, down, down. Patience here. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live, supporting the channel. Subscribe if you're new. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, trading the market open, hanging out with you guys. Do appreciate you guys saying good morning. Taking trades, showing the trades, trying to make crypto honest again. That's kind of our goal. Compounding 50K as of November 1st, trying to turn it into 100K. And we'll see if we can turn 100 into 2. If we can get there, God willing. Slow and steady. So far, it's been really fast. You don't know when the wins are going to come. You just try to participate safely. Good morning, Andrew. Good morning, Jimbo. What's going on? Dump, 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 Jimbo. Dump. What's going on, Wick 589? Good to see you, bro. How you been? Rotation. Don't be greedy. Yeah, you could get a slap down and pop back up really quickly, especially with the way this thing's going. Mondays are shady. Yeah, Mondays are always interesting. Jimbo's running. Watch out, man. Clinch, clinch, clinch. Am I a fellow Christian? I love God. My family's Catholic. So, whatever that means. I don't go to church or anything. I say grace. I'm grateful. That's it, man. My family's all a bunch of Italian Catholics, so watch out, man. They're they're a lot. Let's put it that way. They're a lot. I love them, though. Either way. Pinch in the clinch. That's the one, Dano. Dude, do you change your picture? What's it called? A PFP every 2 seconds, man. What's going on, Crypto Assassin? Good to see you. Do you do signals in your group or just traders? Yeah, we all do signals. Most of us. We all do setup signals. Rotation down here, guys. No trade. Push back on Solana. SFP, reclaim the range. This says lower. It's starting to clip here a little bit. Solana pretty resilient here. ETH bull divs. SFP. A little bit lower here for Biddy. GG's on your short, guys. Good job. Still no trade for me. Coming for the first SFP. Still no trade for me. Still waiting. Always showing you guys the trades. First SFP level. Solana still holding. ETH rotating down. Pretty aggressive here. Good patience, everybody. Bart Simpson in play here. Great short, everybody. Very nice short. I'm still handyman right now. Skiing. I'm skiing. Discord is lit. Actual day traders in there. Yeah. Traders helping traders. That's the one. Nice push here. SFP. If you outgate the microphone, you won't hear the kid in the background. He's all right. He's got a beautiful voice. Everybody's here to hear the kid crying. Waiting for orb. That's smart. It's going to be a big orb today at the highs. What's going on, Al Jr.? Good to see you, man. Too much hands lately? Yeah, it's execution and interpretation of price action is always hard, right? That's the difference between profitability and taking the right trades. Good SFP here. Swept our first low. Like I said, I'm more interested in the lower one. Rotation down here. I've never used Discord. Maybe I'll have a look one day. Yeah, man. Good close. GG's, Laurent. Thank you, Dutchy. Good to see you at LBC. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. The handyman has to lay flooring and do baseboards. Have a good day, everyone. Take care, Paul. Flooring. Yuck. Get your knee pads. Get your knee pads. NASDAQ looks juicy. Nice push here. NASDAQ up almost 2%. Bitcoin trying to push back here. Trigger wave forming. First sweep is good. See if we can reclaim here. Possible pushback into VWAP. Retest to previous lows. Yeah, resistance. All resistance here. This is all resistance here. Sell wall. See if we do get a rotation back up. Nice rotation down. Coming for the low here. Yeah, I prefer down in here like we said earlier on the stream, but we'll see where we get to right now. Trying to it's a weird inverse relationship here going on between the NAS and the SPY, which is pretty wild. I mean, Bitcoin's pretty up today, so alts are holding up pretty good. Injective looking good today. Walrus looking good today. H-bar, nice pump for H-bar as well. Yeah, man, this is looking okay, considering. Bitcoin dominance dropping, which is interesting. Solana flat. ETH. This looks bullish for ETH. This looks bullish. I'm not taking it, but this looks bullish. Solana looks weak. ETH looks better. Weird. No trade here. Still waiting. I feel like we need to wait for the volume to like pick up. Like I want to see like an aggressive move first before I consider anything here. So a lot of the time this will trickle. Then you get boom. Then you have the trade, right? Like I want to see boom. Nothing until then. Still waiting. Thank you everybody for being here. Trying to be patient. Mondays, baby. Don't start the week off bad. I did last week. I mean, I was down $2,000 to start Monday last week, and I crawled my way back over the week, and I ended up being up like 14 grand, right? But it was a hard week because it started off rough. So it's always very important to be patient here. I mean, I'm up like, I'm up 32 grand in 11 days. So happy days. No complaints. Just remaining patient. Try not to overtrade. Grateful for everybody here. There it is. There's the volume. Volume coming through. Good patience. See? That's why we didn't take ETH. We wait. It looked good. Doesn't mean you take it. There's no reason to long here. It's rotation down. Congratulations, guys, who shorted up here. I guess I didn't have the cojones like you did to take the trade. Bart Simpson in play here. We could go swing low to swing high here. Be a little bit more specific with our key levels. All right, so we can big order block in here, right? So we can look at golden pocket 786, order block below. Our first initial area for a reaction. Coming down now. Nice short, everybody. Typically, you do get the SFP. Like, typically, you get this. If we had this like that, that would have been short zone. Didn't happen. Equal highs all the way across. Not something that I was looking to really trade there. Just putting in the orb here. Breaking down now, losing the orb. Okay, so we want to see a reclaim of the orb and continuation back up. If we are going to see a continuation, NASDAQ continues to rip. SPY looks strong too. Bitcoin coming back for some humble pie right now, which is fine. Let's see if we can tap 105. Looking okay here. Retest to previous highs. Coming into our area. Looking for a reversal here. No trade yet. Still waiting, everybody. Thank you for being on the live stream. Smashing up that like button. Subscribing if you're new. We're here every day. It snowed in Toronto where I used to live, and it hasn't snowed here, which is kind of funny. The mountains are covered in snow because they're in a higher elevation. But it's pretty funny. It's pretty funny. We don't have snow, and they have snow in Toronto yesterday. Which is good. How's everyone feeling about ICP? ICP. I mean, anything like that. So, in my opinion, when you see stuff like Zcash, ICP, virtuals, I don't know what else has ran, but all these things that have ran, right? They want you to sell your altcoins that you've done your research on, and they want you to buy these coins so that they can use you as exit liquidity. So whenever you see these pumps on these tokens, I do not suggest you rotate into them. That's always a bad idea, in my opinion. They want you to sell what you already hold into these assets that are, oh my God, these ones are running, I should rotate into them, and then they'll use you as exit liquidity. It's just how it works. So be very careful about bullish tokens, okay? And whatever. They send things up on purpose to make money and to exit through you, right? So be aware of that. I think we did look at ICP. No trade for me right now. Still waiting here, guys. ICP, where are we at? Alert. Possible long. Who would have thought? I didn't even get my alert for that. Interesting. Down we go. Humble pie. Bitcoin selling off. Little pump, enticing buyers. Stayed up there for half an hour and then dumped on everyone's head. Quite interesting here. It's the way it goes, isn't it? NASDAQ, humble pie. Look at that. All right. There we go. Coming into our buy level. Patience here. Still waiting here, everybody. Thank you for being here. Go and subscribe to AlexOCrypto as well. Yeah, he has a live show as well. I think Mark put his channel in there. There you go. Alex, do you have Snow yet? No. Binance. It's good to be kind, man. It's good to be kind. Nice dump here, guys. Still waiting. You guys are all giga short, aren't you? You guys are all short. Put twos in the chat. I want to say GG's to all of you guys, man. I'll even type it for you. Congratulations on your short, everybody. Guys enjoying the dump? Good job, everybody. Look at you guys crushing it. Crushing it, man. And if you're not short, that's okay. You're patient. Whatever. Cool, man. I'm not short. I'm naturally short. It's not about this trade. It's about the next one, right? So you wait. You wait. We didn't get the retest I wanted to see. Little roll over here. Yeah. Hopium slippers, man. Zoom out a little bit. Take a look. This is good. This is good. Yeah, coming into this order block here. So just literally waiting for reaction now on price, guys. That's it. Literally waiting. Remain patient here. I was waiting for retest. All me? What was all me? Spicy sushi. Did you get short, man? Congratulations. There's a reason why, I think, I don't know what your entry criteria was for your short here. Aggressive move through VWAP, retest. I could see that. Wick test in here. I could see that. So for me, you had wick test, aggressive move through VWAP continuation. Your SFP was pretty pathetic, so that's not something I was looking for. Consolidation. The VWAP retest continuation was good. You had a major support line lost. You have aggressive move through orb. You could short that. Stop loss above the high here. But not a heck of a lot in my trading playbook for me to get long. So I didn't take it, especially on a Monday. Look at this, rotating back into this order block here. Nice. Support level. No bounce yet, guys. So Ilana coming down to that trend line, trying to hold. Like I said, I prefer here or there. We're getting there. We're getting to the full retrace yet. Mondays. Hopefully Monday's the false move, and then for the rest of the week we go up. NASDAQ, pump and dump. SPY, big gap up. This is why we prepare the Discord for Humble Pie, right? This is why we prepare for this, so that up, down, all around, we make money. We make money. That's key. Great short, everybody. Lovely Bart Simpson. That's it, right? First sign of strength. First sign of strength. No trade. I prefer Solana for a short here. Still waiting. Government shutdown update. Fox makes gains. You got one for us. Yeah, no bueno. No bueno here. No bottoming structure yet. So it's a lot of waiting right now, guys. That's basically where we're at. As we need structure to get long, in my opinion. You can go for continuation shorts. We got Discord live today. That'll be good. Trying to find some support here. Still waiting. I like Solana here. Clipping, bull divs, clipping, bull divs. Trying to push. Trying to push. Bitcoin push. Considering a long on Solana. Something like that. Take a stab here. See if we can push on Solana. Just trying to come back halfway up that candle. Push in Ambe Pambe, come on. Can someone blow on the candle, please? I like the sweep of the low here. Follow through. Order block. Continuation. We'll see if we get it. Poor follow through here. Bitcoin Steve Ruglin a bit. Yeah. Probably not good. Bitcoin's got to bounce now. It's not. I like this area though. For Solana. Push you nambe pambe Madonna bello. Che cazzo, che cazzo. Andiamo. Andiamo. Failure to follow through here. Seems like, yeah. Bitcoin, no pushback. NASDAQ, trying to go. Solana, trying to go. It's a 1-to-1 trade. Probably close it out. Splitting hairs here, I feel. Splitting hairs. Pushback. Come on, you nambe pambe. Andiamo. Take a break even. I'm not holding this. Stop me out. That's fine. Whatever. On to the next one. Live to trade another day. I wanted to see a pushback quickly. Didn't see it. Good close. No trade. Still waiting. Actually, good close. $30. Who cares? $30. On to the next one. Break even trades are where it's at, man. Good patience. I didn't get the push I wanted to see. I wanted to see a V-shaped recovery, a pushback halfway up that candle. Quick $40 loss, whatever. It's fine. It's better than taking a full loss down here. I wanted to see the pushback back to this low here. Didn't get it. That's fine. I'd rather take the loss. I'm going to send you guys to the Piper Academy. See if we can, good close there. Actually, a really good close. Rotation back down. Failure to push up. A little bit of patience here, guys. I'll have an update for the Discord as we go here. Just not liking it right now. Looks like we're going to rotate lower. Bitcoin flagging out. Solana trying to hold on here. We'll see what happens. I'll update you guys there. Going to send you guys over to the Piper Academy. Thank you guys so much for being here, supporting the channel. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game. Participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 low. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.